The following demo shows how you can use Rumfox to handle different business problems. In this example, we are going to look at several assets we own, and given certain factors like the asset value, interest rate, maintenance costs, and payments, when is the right time to get rid of the asset? And here are the accounts, time, and assets we need in our model to solve this problem. So let's jump over to the rules and better understand what calculations are taking place. We're going to figure out the present value of the maintenance cost. We're going to understand the cumulative cost of the equipment. We're going to pick up the gross value. We're going to pick up the net present value, then the payments that we have, then figure out the minimum payment, put it into year one, and then figure out when we should replace this asset and put that also in year one. So let's run this calc. Now that's completed. Why don't we minimize this and jump over to the build views. We have a view already set up. Let's run that. And now we can see the actual cost of the equipment, the annual interest rate that we had, and then through the years, the maintenance costs, and then minimum payment that we have here, and when we want to replace it, year 4. Right there's the minimum payment, and there's replace it in year 4. That's asset 1. We toggle over to asset 2, that's year 5. Toggle over to asset 3, and we need to replace it in year 2. Better yet, let's look at an analytical report. We've got the view all set up for us. The following demo is another example of how Rumfox can handle complex algorithms. In this pivot table, we solve for the internal rate of return for different projects we are running. It has the necessary members to calculate IRR. So you can see the accounts, time, and project, and you can see the different members of the accounts, discount rate, cash flows, etc., time, and then over the different projects. The rules themselves have the algorithms necessary to calculate the internal rate of return, different interest rates, and different cash flows that we might have in play for the different projects. And then at the end here, we're just going to run the calcs, jump over to a view that we've built for you to kind of show out these different projects. And as you can see, for each one of these projects, the internal rate of return comes into play. As we get out more into the years, it becomes constant for each one of the projects. Thank you.